Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to cover the topic function of square matrix 1 numerical. So now we can conclude what is the function of square matrix. A function of square matrix defined as a function which takes input as a square matrix and return square matrix of a same dimension. Now here is an example. If A matrix is 3 1 and 1 3 2 by 2 matrix, so we have to find it e raised to a and phi raised to a. So now the characteristic equation is a minus lambda I mod equals to 0. Now the general characteristic of is lambda square minus s1 lambda plus mod of a equal to 0. Now we can conclude s1 is equals to 6 and mod of a is equals to 8. Now lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8, this equation we conclude, and by this we can conclude the lambda value is 4 and 2. Now the eigenvalues we get is lambda 1 equals to 2 and lambda 2 equals to 4. Now the eigenvalues corresponds to the eigenvectors for lambda 1 is a minus lambda I whole bracket x equals to 0, but that is matrix A equals to 1 1 and 1 1 2 raised to 2, here x1 and x2. So the equation we get x1 plus x2. Now we have to put x2 is equals to c, so we get x1 is equals to minus v. So are the first eigenvectors of x1 are minus 1 and 1. Hence like this way we have to conclude eigenvectors of x2 also. So eigenvectors of x2 we get 1 and 1. Now both we have to conclude modal matrix P. Modal matrix P equals to the matrix of eigenvectors and eigenvalues. It is minus 1 1 and 1 and 1. Now P inverse equals to minus 1 by 2 2 by 2 matrix. Now D equals we get lambda 1 and lambda 2 valued diagonally. Now e raised to d we get e raised to 2 0 0 e raised to 4. Now we have the formula e raised to a equals to p e raised to d p inverse. So by putting all the values in it we get minus 1 by 2 into minus e raised to 4 minus 4 e raised to 2 minus e raised to 4 and minus bracket e raised to plus e raised to 4. By computing we get e raised to 4 plus e raised to 2, e raised to 4 minus e raised to 2, e raised to 4 minus e raised to 2 and e raised to 4 plus e raised to 2. Now we have to compute the value of phi raised to a. Simplify, we have to replace e by phi. Here phi raised to a equals to 1 by 2 phi raised to 4 plus phi raised to 2 and all the where e we replace by 5. Now we have to remove phi raised to 2 outside the bracket, outside the matrix. So we can conclude 25 upon 2 26 24 24 and 26 the value we get. Now we have to divide 2 inside the matrix, so we get 25 13 25 into 13 12 12 and 13, this 2 by 2 matrix. So by the multiplying inside 25 with the inside matrix we get phi raised to a value which is 325 300 300 and 325, which is 2 by 2 matrix. Hence we can compute the function of square matrix and the value of both e raised to a and phi raised to a we can conclude by this method. Thank you.